exactly what I was looking for. Okay, sound check. Sound check. And you know, before I have to do anything, I have to get this. I have to solve this problem. I had to solve this problem. Remember, I had an issue with my sound transmission coming from my monitor through to my mixer. So I went old school. Kind of like when you took the whole Atari apart. Who remembers? I could tell what year you was born in by the year of Atari. I had the 7800. My uncles had wasn't there the 5200, and then I think there's the 2600. But I got everything sounding pretty good now. So we are going to take elements, and I'm gonna claim fair use here. I'm not even gonna go live. I'm gonna take elements from this song right here. We're gonna take elements of that song. I'm gonna recreate the whole entire song. If you guys have seen my shorts or seen different elements on my channel, I'm gonna take elements from that song and I'm gonna bring that song. I'm gonna do that song the beautiful justice it deserves. With that Chicago soul style, you know, something that maybe Chance the Rapper or whoever, give it that Mac Miller type of feel. But sound check, so I got that taken care of. I just took everything apart, dusted everything off, and stay tuned.